What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. We're on part 2 of this little sampling series inside 2022, inside FL Studio 20.9. So let's get right on with it. If you haven't seen the first video, you can check it out in the top right now if you want to click that. Now, so we got this little these chords here, these little sample chops we made. What I'm going to first do is consolidate this whole track together. So I'm just going to right click the track that it's on and do consolidate this track from track start. And just hit start. That way it puts it all into one thing, and I don't have all those little chops anymore. Just puts it all into one track, okay? So now I kind of want to see if I can use the Stretch Pro mode, all right? Which is a new thing inside FL Studio 20.9. Double click the sample to open up its settings. You can go into the mode here and do Stretch Pro. Use the Stretch Pro and we have this format slider here. This is just going to make it sound higher octaves. Oh, it'll still be in the same key, but it'll just make it sound higher or lower octaves so you can get some interesting sounds. So let's mess with this while we play it here. We could also reverse it if we wanted to. Yeah, so we could do something like that, and that adds a really interesting vibe to it, okay? So that's pretty much it for this video, is just talking about this Stretch Pro and this nice little slider that you can use here. But also, don't forget about reversing your samples. You can get some really good sauce that way. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay tuned for the other sampling videos that will be coming out in the next few days. Much love, y'all. Peace.